This is Young Trader. It is Thursday morning, so we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now, the natural gas EIA report will be out at 10:30. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude, your daily chart. Now, we sold right off here, could not get through that 50 SMA, and then basically is you're retesting this key 66.80 level. See, this is why you always want to put these price channels on your chart. See how easy it is to see, exactly where the support and exactly where the resistance is. Now, when you look at this, the price channels are still intact, really nice. It's 75.06 on top and 66.80 on the bottom. Now, yesterday, we had a little bit of a lower low. It was 67.05 compared to the candles here, which is 67.35 and 67.15. However, it's holding this 66.80, and that is the key, especially like on a closing basis. Okay, that is the key level. Now, if that obviously is lost, then we go to these candles here. Okay, you're looking at 65.65, 65.38, 64.36. This is your big retest, 63.64. If that is lost, then 61.74 is going to be your target. Okay, and I'll show you that on the weekly chart. Now, on the upside, we want to look at these key 8 SMA here. Okay, so you're looking at here at 69.84. Okay, and we're looking here at your 21 SMA here, sitting at 70.18. Now, those are going to be your key resistant levels. Now, if you can get above, then we just keep on following here. So you got 71.15, you have 72.03, you have 72.38. But your big resistance here is going to be this 50 SMA, 71.96. That is your 50 SMA. And you can see how this 58 is just sloping right on down. Your 100 SMA here sloping on down. Your 200. See, that is really not a very good bullish pattern. However, we don't want to get excited to say, hey, it's going to go one way or the other. We always want to just trade level to level, whether you're going up or you're going down. It doesn't really make any difference to us, okay, as a trader. Okay, so just keep in mind, watch these price channels, 75.06 and 66.80. That is going to be key levels. And then this key 8 SMA here and the key 21 SMA. If you get higher, 71.96 to 50 SMA, that is going to be your upside target. All right, let's take a look here on your weekly and your monthly. Okay, your monthly here now chart is holding in pretty nice. Okay, you got your 50 SMA here, your 200 SMA here. You're holding in right in between there, which is still very good. Now, again, if this 50 SMA is lost, then we want to look to this price channel here, sitting at 62.43, and then we have below that is you have your 100A sitting at 59.60. That would be your support levels here. On the upside, if you get above that 200, your resistance level is going to be 75.82. That is going to be your 8 estimate. Now, on your weekly chart here, I've been pointing out here, watch this key 200 SMA, now sitting at 67.52. That's holding up really, really nicely. Again, if it's lost, then we look to the bottom of the candle here, 65.38, 64.36, and then your big retest there, 63.64. Now, on the upside here, again, look at these key, the 8 SMA here. See how it's holding it right on down. So you're basically looking at 71 flat. And then again, if you can get above that, then we look to the top of this candle right here. You're looking at 72.03. We have 72.72. Then your big target there is going to be 74.18. That is your 21-day. And obviously, if you can get above, you can get 79.94. That is your 50 SMA here. But see how this A50 is just rolling over? It just looks like it's just trying to move up, and just make lower, trying to get lower here. But right now we have sideways action. So just watch your price channels here. As long as they're intact, you're in good shape. Now, again, if you're lost, then if this 63.64 is lost, then we'll always look to the left of your chart, okay, for your support levels. There you are, 61.74. That was going to be your target if this 63.64 is lost. All right, let's take a look here now at the old netty gas. All right, netty gas. We have your hourly and your 4-hour chart. Now, 2 days ago, nice sideways action, popped right up, make a nice higher high. It just couldn't hold this thing and it came right on down. Now we have sideways action here. So we want to watch this key 50 SMA here, or 200 SMA, sitting at 2.66. Now, if that is lost, then we want to look here at 2.64. That is going to be your price channel. Okay, so what can I say here? On the upside, you want to look at this 21 SMA here at 2.67. Then we have your 100 SMA, 2.73, then 2.74. But just looks like it just popped here and now sideways and want to go lower here now. So let's look on your 4-hour chart here. So 2.66, that's holding up here pretty good. If that is lost, then we come back down to these price channels here. This bottom of this candle here, you're looking at 2.639. Then we can come over here to your 100, 2.51, and actually 2.43 here on your 4-hour chart here. Let's take a look here now at the daily. Okay, daily chart. We had a really nice good run up here for 4 days, and then sideways inside day. And then yesterday we had a pretty good red candle. So what we need to do on the downside is watch this key 8 SMA. Okay, so you're sitting at 2.65. That is going to be critical on a closing basis. Okay, now if that is lost, then we just keep right on going down. So you want to look here at your 21-day sitting at 2.44, and then your obviously your 100-day is sitting at 2.36, and then your 2.36 on your 50 SMA. Your 8-day is going to be the key tell right away. If that is lost, then you are going to go right back and retest these here very easily. Now, on the upside, you want to look here. This is at 2.878. But what you really want to do is look at this one right here. You're looking at basically 2.8, and then we have 2.816. That is going to be the key level here, this 2.816. Okay, now if you can close above that one, then what we do is look to the left of the chart here. Okay, you got 2.839, 2.86, and then your big target that I would be looking for would be 3.027. That would be the target that you'd be shooting for here on your daily chart here. So just watch, the 2 this candle right here, 2.816. That is going to be very, very critical. And on the support levels, you just watch this 8 SMA here at 2.65. Let's take a look here on your weekly chart and your monthly. Okay, your monthly chart, nice. All rates straight, still intact here. Really, really nice. You have good upside here. You always have this 100 SMA here you can shoot for, your 50 SMA you can shoot for, and your 200-day, which you can shoot for. But here on your weekly chart here, see, here's that the level I was looking for is 3.027. So far, it just can't get there. However, your bullish cross is still intact here, okay? So your 8-day is sitting at 2.46. It crossed above this key 21-day, sitting at 2.39. See, that's always a very bullish sign. As long as that can hold, and that 8-day doesn't cross back below, then it's bullish. If it does, then it say you lose that 8-day above the 21, then she's going to go lower. But your price channel are still intact, really nice here. You still got the 1.946 on the bottom and 3.027 there on the top. All right, I will have more for you on crude and natural gas after the pit close at 2:30. And remember, the EIA on natural gas will be out at 10:30 today. Thanks for watching.